Alright, it's already started. I didn't want to get dirt on it.
Guys, I watched.
Yeah, Cody goes, Justin doesn't wear a helmet.
That's funny.
Landon goes, no, that's Justin.
That is so funny.
Yeah. Take a little ride on my power wheels. See, that's a good deal. Okay, we got the speed app up. We're going to see how fast this little sucker goes. I'll lock it into my side here. Then we'll get some video of my power wheels. Power wheels. Leads the way. $31. We went 31 on that little trip there. We'll reset. And we will relocate the camera. Alright. See if we can get her go a little faster this time. I don't ever buy one of these engine plates again. I don't care how much goddamn reinforcing you do, it's a piece of shit. Alright guys, kart guy, it's been a while. I'm back though and I'm aggravated. I was trying to get it done and reveal to you guys. This is my Power Wheels build. It was all built out of free stuff except for grips and handlebars. As a matter of fact, let me slide on the one grip. Why do they give you these two-size grips anymore? What handlebars that takes it? I have so many of these bigger grips. It's unreal. But we have been working. There we go. There. Now we got the green pro tapers. This was not supposed to say pit bike. Now, mind you, this is totally not in its final phase. I was hoping it was kind of in its riding phase. Look, I got a pair of red, pair of green, two pair of orange. I got two pair of red. Alright, but So the story is, I've had that 212 in a box back there sitting for a few years. I bought it new. I wanted to do a Power Wheels build for a while. So a neighbor had this Power Wheel sitting down there last year, and he told me it didn't work, so I went ahead and grabbed it. And finally got around to doing it because I used the back of the Max, whatever you want to call it, the Bat Warrior, since it was the Batman Kart and the Warrior. So the Bat Warrior, I used the back of the cart, and I used the front of the four-wheeler. So what parts I didn't use off of here, I built a Power Wheels build out of. So as you can see, it's got full front suspension, good front brakes from a Warrior. This is galvanized fence, strong though. Alright, the problem was this kid took the 530 sprocket off, put a 420, but he put a 35 on there, and it's an odd size hub on this axle. It's a 2.5, and most of them are 2 1/8. So I can't find a 420 sprocket. So I took his 35 tooth. I don't know, it don't look so great there, but on this side I welded it really good. And we got it all squared up, as you can see. And we cut that square out of the center of it and then welded it to the whole sprocket. So that's a 60 tooth on a 35. And we still don't have the torque to take it up the hill with the clutch. I knew it was going to have a torque converter, but I was hoping with these two clutches I had laying around I was going to be able to use them up. Now don't get me wrong, it runs. And like I said, I'm not done. I still have to make a brace from here to here, gusset this. I did lower. I would take the front part off, but it's got 2 zip ties in it, and then everything else just pulls off. But this one will have a brace going across it, and then this one will have one going under the butt, which it doesn't really need, but in case somebody heavier than me gets on there. We'll leave that off for a second. I used a real thick piece of steel, so it doesn't really matter if I get the braces on there. I mean, it works great. And yeah, I know it hits the windshield a little bit, but I wasn't going to take the windshield off. And the windshield got cracked in transportation or something. I don't know when it got cracked. The hood works. Yeah, so I moved the steering back. That's how I did that. But I still need to put, like I said, gusset there, and then one from there to down there, maybe not that. Probably not the bottom one because it'll interfere with the brake line. So I mainly told you what I wanted about the sprocket. I spent all day doing that, and not to mention the way I sat the engine down in there. I had to actually get the axle off. I had to cut the carrier off, and then re-weld it on, because the axle can't be pulled out. What a mess. Took a couple hours, probably 2 hours to do total, maybe an hour. I don't know. Just pain in the ass though. And like I said, we're going to be able to haul ass down the road tomorrow, but it's not going to be able to go up the hills real good and shit. But that's my Power Wheels build until we get the torque converter on it, mainly for my nephew and them. Now we do have the built 212 engine that we can put on it when we ride it. Just a quick 5-bolt change, or whatever.